Good morning, 7th grade. Welcome back. Today we'll be continuing to learn about organisms and the environment, but today we will be learning about dichotomous keys and how we can use them to examine and sort organisms based on their differences in structures, and how we can kind of build family trees based on their shared traits that they get passed down. First, we'll start off with think, pair, share. So I want you to think about what a dichotomous key is and how we can use it to classify organisms, what exactly you think it is. You don't have to be correct, you can be completely wrong, and that's totally okay. After that, I'll have you pair off into groups, and I'll give you a small set of insects that I want to have you classify based on their structures. And then once we're done with that, we'll give it about 15-20 minutes. We'll come together as a big classroom and we'll share what we discovered, and we'll go over a quick lesson about what dichotomous keys can be used for. Lastly, your exit ticket for today will be what you think your favorite thing about this lesson was that you learned.